Pre-outfit idea. First, let me do this Leo FLM. Look at this avatar. Is so pretty. On this July 25, 2020. Pre-outfit idea, guys.
Wait.
And second outfit is Hana Nice 333. Did you know, guys? So pretty, Hana Nice 333. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Did you know? Like, and next outfit is gonna be Lost Now. So much fun is Lost Now. She was, diba, outfit in black, diba? Okay, did you know this outfit is become Kayla's pit. Okay, Kayla's pit, so pretty and so pretty outfit. And this outfit is C. So this is boy C. And this outfit is them Jisoo. She was partner of our gun in MM2. She was pretty, right? Wow. Pretty. She was pretty. She was part of gun. Guys, she was part of gun. And thank you. Goodbye. And this is pre-outfit, guys. Let me know Pritos. And goodbye, guys. You're welcome. She was dancing.